In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the error that says Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely. It's a quick and simple process with just a few steps to follow. Let's start by opening Task Manager. Go to your Start menu and search for Task Manager, then click to open it. In Task Manager, look for any Epic Games processes running. If you see the Epic Games Launcher, right-click on it and choose End Task. You can also use the search bar at the top to find any other Epic Games references. Once everything related to Epic Games is closed, exit Task Manager. Now, open File Explorer, navigate to the C drive, and then go to Program Files by 86. Inside this folder, look for the Epic Games folder. Right-click it and select the Delete option. As long as it's not running in the background, it should delete without any issues. Once a folder is gone, click the back arrow to go back one step, and then open Program Files without x86. Again, look for the Epic Games folder, right-click it, and delete it. Give it a moment to complete. Once both folders are deleted, you can close File Explorer. Next, open your web browser and go to store.epicgames.com. From there, download the Epic Games Launcher again. Click the Download button, and once the installer file is ready, open it. When the installer opens, you'll see two options. Choose the Remove option and click Remove. Wait for the process to complete, then hit Finish. After that, run the installer again, but this time click on Repair and press the Repair button. Once the repair is complete, you can double-click the Epic Games Launcher, and you'll see that the error is fixed and the issue is gone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.